first one is this casual outing outfit, floral top with a net sleeve and a good pastel pant and casual shoes that would go along with it. For accessories too, choose some light bracelets and simple earrings that would go along with the pastel. The second outfit is this picnic outfit with a pink top and a nice skirt and some flip-flops to go along with it. So for this outfit, we can pair together a jeans top and a dark blue denim jeans to go along with it, along with some Converse sneakers. Pairing together a floral shirt with light blue striped pants and shoes with minimal accessories and sunglasses can give a formal look.
For this, we can wear a floral top with pink flowers and matching pink jeans with shoes.
For this next outfit, we are pairing together a hoodie with dark blue jeans and Converse sneakers and French braided hair. For this all pink look, we can pair together a pink pastel turtleneck, pink jeans, shoes and matching accessories.
Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
You can pick dark colored jeans to go together with colorful tops that pop out to neutralize their effect. If you're planning for an outing at the beach, try this outfit. Using a long beach gown or skirt, a cardigan, some jewelry and flip-flops.
It's quite hard.
For this casual outfit, we can pair together a graphic sequin t-shirt with blue jeans and boots because the outfit is pretty simple, and add a cute bag because why not? And add a few accessories to make it look interesting. Pairing together a tuck-in white top and a brown skirt with boots and bag gives it a fresh look. Try pairing together a floral bishop sleeve top and a lined black and white pant, shoes with accessories for a formal look. Also experimented with a red top to make it look different.